to move. Hayate. Iti. It's gonna be great. Ngayon, why don't you try to know it? Never get, I will tell you all. Oh, tonight, we will be tonight, we got to oh, tonight, we will be together, now we're finally together. We will be tonight together, please surround the right we are. Oh, tonight.
Wow, saya-saya, bakit ikaw? Dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Uhaw, uhaw. Mo'y unti-unti nawawala, nalilito, yung tulad mo'y ako. Tanging hiling ko lang sa'yo, nakaraan ay tanggapin.
Sabi po, Boss G, tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya, ako'y ang bida sa isipan ko ikaw. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita. Oh yeah, thank you. Oh yes, epic sa inyo guys. Kahit maghapon. Sino nang ano dyan, nakapag-beach? No, you boss beach, ating ending. Hatid sa bahay mo.
Kaligayahan na aking nadarama, di na aking nadarama, di ko na mapipigilan, iwasan at kalimutan pa, di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan na aking nadarama. Thank you guys. Sa puso ko, ikaw lang kaya. Di ko kaya sa buhay ko, ikaw. Thank you. Nakita ko siya dumaan eh. Thank you for your sexy. Thank you. Ang may puso bukas, ganyan.
Ang mangyayari po dito ay sasagutin naman po natin ng kanta. Baby, when I know you're only sorry, thank you. Hindi hamili mo tubuan, Jesus, ikaw lang ang mundo. Oh, ikaw ay kapiling, ngunit wala ka nang ako'y gumihan. Ayan, nawala na ang lahat. Tas ang kinoliding, amazing love. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin.
Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to the ultimate showdown at Live House.
Like there is no other.
Hello? Please, good afternoon, guys.
I was watching your back, the cool control X. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. To me, why must you go and make things so complicated? I see somebody else gets me frustrated. And let's not just you, and you fall and you roll and you break and you take what you Hoy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Apakan ng lahat kay kapwa mo. Sabi pa. Hello po. Oh, guys. Ayan, nasa ibaba po. May icon po tayo dyan. Lord, ang bigat-bigat na. Sobrang bigat na ng problema ko. Sobrang. So guys, let's hear this song and let's meditate this out. And your name is love. He cares for you. Ayan. Doon pa lang po, ang ganda na ng message ng verse. Di ba? Kasi kung nagmamadali ka, baka, baka so. And let's hear this out. Kahit nagbibeg ng love to si Dito ka na lang, Moira de la Torre. Oh, perfect time talaga dapat, diba, Sir?
Tired of usual 9-to-5 grinds? Imagine earning from home just by live streaming. Link's Talent Agency makes it happen. We're offering a super exciting opportunity for you. Hindi kailangang maging pro streamer ka o with big names sa social media. Basta't ikaw ay may good vibes, good personality at willing mag-entertain sa harap ng camera for at least 2 to 3 hours a day, we want you! Being part of Lynx means you're joining one of the top listed agencies that's organized, friendly, and supportive. With 1,500 pesos up to 50,000 pesos plus potential earnings every month. The best part? 100% free to sign up. No fees, no hidden costs. So what are you waiting for? Ready? Lynx, go! Attend our free orientation every Sunday.
Hello guys! Welcome to our live house 24/7. Charot! Okay na anak ko. Thank you, mami! Grabe, tripping si sound card. Okay guys, good evening guys. So our first song is, since summer ngayon, syempre, kakanta tayo ng pang summer. Thank you sir for the bells. Thank you Ate Sweetie for the bells. Thank you guys. Thank you for the gifts. Guys, don't forget to vote me at the right corner of your screen. Uy, Kuya Jess, hindi ka pa tapos?
It's a sticker. Yeah, it's a secret.
Hindi pa tapos si Kuya Jess. Alright. Thank you, Kuya Jess.
Po. Hi, Kuya Zek. Kuya Zek, hello. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope my Okay, Ben. Tsaka kay it's alright. Only your future husband is an time. Don't leave me alone.
Put those hands in the air.
nothing stays the same. Pa yun. Someday, as soon as my heart. Bossen? Wow, Bossen? Bago na. Thank you guys. Thank you sa support. Kung ranking, bagsak mo na ha. Ha, Mami Feng? Since you ang tagal matapos. Sir, pwede mong sub? Go tsaka papanty. Kasi sabi ni Sir, summer daw. Summer outfit. Nakatubis sa kanya girl. Sino mo? Oh, diba? Kailangan kompleto. Sige, sasayaw ako. I know there was a love with you. Sir, promise, di na kung sali sa next year. Grabe, nakakapagod. Sweet as knowing you can always count on me.
Ang galing ka man yung aking.
Happy anniversary ng araw. Happy anniversary! Sumonang birinibre kita ang aking mamahalin. Hanggang sa langit ikaw ay dadalhin. Tara na, tara na, tara na. Sana ay wow, gusto kong tumalon sa siya dahil ikaw ang kapiling. Sa'yo lamang ang puso ko sumabang. It's good for me po.